Put your notifications on. This is going to be an absolute cook. Alex Becker put out a post on X saying, debating releasing a meme coin with a twist. I'll take zero of it. Zero. No fee, no cut, no nothing. Kind of goes on. People kind of thought, hey, is this going to be some engagement style post? He kind of goes on and says that it's going to be a pump fund, all of that. People are like, okay, is he actually going to do it? And then what he's done is he's done a follow-up post. He's talking about the two different ways, or the different ways he's going to do it. He's going for his upcoming meme coin drop, speaking with lawyers. Again, he's going to own zero. He's going to, when he's going to announce it, or just all that stuff to kind of avoid scams and what's going on. And this thing is getting absolutely hella engagement. People are pumped. People are excited. I'm excited for it as well. Now, why would you be excited? If you're watching this, you most likely know who Alex Becker is. Almost 1.5 million subscribers. His views on crypto are just absolutely pumping. Gets a bunch. He's just a personality in itself, which is crazy. Now, this is why the coin, if it drops, it is going to just do hella numbers. What you can see here is this is Neo Tokyo Citizens. This is what he dropped with Elio. So this thing, at its peak, it ran up to 17.5 ETH. Now, what's crazy about this? This is a free mint. You could have gotten this for free. This was back in the NFT bull run 2021, 2022. Put out some cryptic stuff. There's a whole ecosystem based around it. But this thing ran up to 17.5 ETH. Could have gotten it for free. People absolutely loved it. After Citizens, they were like just a bunch of different drops, different things. Absolutely crazy. When you have a look at some of the highest last sales, 40 ETH, 30 ETH, 25, 20, like these were selling for a lot. So the thing is, if Alex Becker does actually come out and release a meme coin with a twist, any kind of twist, doesn't matter what it is, this is going to be nuts. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be insane. So I've actually got his notifications set on X. He's got 1 million followers there, just keeping up to date with what he's doing, because if he does actually do this and it drops, even if you're a day or two late, there's a chance this could run and just run up high, run up crazy. He's got the mind share of the crypto space. A bunch of people are excited for it. People that I know want him to do it. It'll just be fun. It'd be some PvP type thing. It's going to be nuts. But yeah, I'm excited for it. So yeah, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Nothing's out yet. It's going to be crazy, but he's had a track record of doing stuff before. So yeah, it could most likely do it again. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Hopefully you enjoyed that alpha. If you did, go down there, drop some love, all of that good stuff. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.